मैं सोहन गोयल का आत्म अनुशासन अभियान स्पिरिट ऑफ सेल्फ डिसिप्लिन कैंपेन का सहयोग करता हूं और अपेक्स मीडिया द्वारा शुरू की गई इस सार्थक पहल की सराहना करता हूं। मैं हर भारतीय को इस अभियान के माध्यम से यह संदेश देना चाहता हूं कि कोरोना के इस संकट को हराने के लिए आपको अपनी खुद के अनुशासन की ताकत को पहचानना होगा, क्योंकि अब इस मार्गदर्शन को अनुशासन के साथ पालन करके ही हम कोरोना को हरा सकते हैं और अब हमें पूरी दुनिया के सामने मानवीय क्रांति का उदाहरण प्रस्तुत करना है। जय हिंद।
Hello, I am Arpita Mukherjee, professor from the Indian Council for Research on International Economic Relations. We are at a very difficult time. Both businesses and individuals are suffering both economically and mentally due to the COVID-19 pandemic. It is also a time when we have to maintain a lot of self-discipline. For example, we should be following the government instructions and not go out unnecessarily, wash our hands carefully, wear our mask every time that we go out, maintain the cleanliness of the environment. And if we all work together, we can address this issue. There are also issues because there are certain businesses that are very widely harshly affected by this pandemic. For example, the restaurant business, the hotel and tourism business, and these business need to go back and renovate ways in which they ensure safety of the customers. And as well as customers also need to follow certain safety norms and they need to be aware of what the do's and don'ts. We have to continue to probably use certain things like sanitizers as we go out several times during the rest of our lives until the vaccines and other precautions are invented. And rather than treating it as a disadvantage, we should learn to live with it. When H1V first happened, there was a lot of worry in many developed countries. Rental agencies could not re-rent their sofas and other kind of furnitures. Their restaurants had to go to plastic and disposable plates. Hospitals has to go to disposable syringes. So it's not like pandemics haven't happened. It's not like we haven't adjusted, but we need to coolly adjust to this new environment and cooperate with the government. We also have to see that we are in an era of technology, and technology will allow us to do certain things from home. Now work from home has become more easy than ever before with lot of technologies for doing meetings and interactions and deliveries. Companies also have to move into automation. Even companies which are into businesses where there is a huge manpower and close seating. For example, jewelry, gems and jewelry making, where people do sit very in close contacts. They have to go into more structured placements of their workforces. So there is a lot of things that companies and individuals can do. However, this pandemic also taught us one lesson. We need to be prudent. We need to be prudent as a company, as an individual, and we need to ensure that we have some savings to support our workforce for 2 to 3 months. It is very sad if we are not able to support workforces who has worked with us for several years for 2 to 3 months just because we are in a pandemic situation. And that pandemic is a big learning experience for every company to how they restructure their future, how they make their investments in the infrastructure, and how they move forward.
Hi, my name is Chetan Bhardwaj and I'm the General Manager of Indian Direct Selling Association. Today, I'm here with all of you to be a part of the Spirit of Self-Discipline campaign. Self-discipline in its simplest form means the ability of an individual to control his or her feelings and weaknesses. As a nation going through these troubled times where everyone is worried about the future, the spirit of self-discipline can be our guiding force. The COVID-19 situation has presented a new kind of challenge before us, before you, before me, and even before the government. Let us agree, none of us believe that this 21st century world, where science and technology are believed to have reached the levels of zenith, can virtually come to a halt. And yet, here we are, locked in our homes since last 2 months. The fight against COVID-19 is like a battle against an enemy that we cannot see. Just like a nation cannot hope to win a battle with a force that lacks self-discipline, we simply cannot hope to win this battle against COVID-19 unless we impart the philosophy of self-discipline in our day-to-day lives. Remember, self-disciplined citizens are the biggest asset of any country. A small country like Japan, which got rattled during the Second World War, was able to become an economic superpower within a short time of 30 years, simply because of its self-disciplined population. Let us all stand together with the government. Let us all follow the advisories which are being released for our own betterment.
I am a dermatologist, Dr. Dipali Bharadwaj. I have studied abroad in Munich, Iran, Bangkok, Singapore, various countries where I did fellowships, and Florence where I did some courses. But let me tell you, I'm a proud Indian. And today, looking at Arogya Setu app, which our government has formed, I think it is informing everybody, all the people know very well what is social distancing. Please follow it to the T. Please believe the 3 C's, that is closed spaces, crowded places, close sitting with people. All of this has to be avoided till scientists and doctors globally are able to get us the medicine which is the cure for this corona. So please follow social distancing and do not think it is to please others or for the government or for the police. It's a duty, it's a social responsibility, and you're doing it for yourself. I appreciate Apex PR company where they have taken up this initiative to promote and spread this message. I totally support as a doctor, as an Indian citizen. Jai Hind, and let's make this a success.
Hello everyone, I am Pooja Dahiya Dhankar and I am an entrepreneur and a social activist. Today I am here to share with you that I support the campaign Spirit of Self-Discipline, which is initiated by the Apex Media. I support this campaign because it very clearly says that it's our own self-discipline that keeps us safe from the COVID. I'm sure our life is more important than losing to a virus, right? So it's important that we follow self-discipline. Self-discipline is followed by maintaining our own immunity. Self-discipline is followed by having a regime of sanitization, etc., which I'm sure you all know. Self-discipline is also to do with following the guidelines of the government, following the suggestions of the doctors, the WHO. So let's come forward. Let each one of us be responsible for our own health. And I'm sure we all will emerge as winners against the corona. So friends, come forward and support this campaign and let the spirit of self-discipline keep rising high. Let the awareness of self-discipline help us fight the COVID-19. Together we will, because we can.
दीपक रमेश गौड़ ने एक परंपरा की शुरुआत की है। वे लोगों को उपहार स्वरूप पौधे देते हैं और दूसरों को भी देने के लिए प्रेरित करते हैं।
मेरा जो कॉज है ये इज डिजाइन्ड बाय और ब्लेस्ड बाय द मैन ऑफ इनोवेशन डॉक्टर APJ अब्दुल कलाम। सर बोलते थे कि इफ यू टेक अपॉर्चुनिटी एज अ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी देन अपॉर्चुनिटी विल नेवर।
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं आज आपको अपने जीवन से जुड़ी हुई एक घटना बताता हूँ। 10 साल पहले मैंने सिर्फ एक छोटी सी गलती करी थी, छोटी सी केयरलेसनेस करी थी। मैंने हेलमेट पहना था लेकिन हेलमेट की नॉट नहीं बांधी थी। पता क्या हुआ? उसके बाद मेरा एक्सीडेंट हुआ और हेलमेट की नॉट ना बांधने की वजह से हेलमेट खुल गया और मेरा सिर जमीन पे जाके टकराया और मैं कुछ महीनों के लिए कोमा में चला गया। पता है, वो एक छोटी सी मिस्टेक और एक छोटी सी केयरलेसनेस जिसे मैं कहूंगा, उसने मुझे कुछ महीनों के लिए सुला दिया था। अगर आज आप लोग, हम लोग, सब लोग सिर्फ एक केयरलेसनेस करेंगे कि हमने सरकार के बनाए हुए नियमों का पालन ढंग से नहीं करा या पालन किया सिर्फ दिखाने के लिए, जैसे मैंने हेलमेट को पहना था लेकिन सिर्फ दिखाने के लिए, तो अगर हमने ऐसा भी किया तो आज हम शायद अपने पूरे देश को, अपने अपनों को, पर अपने प्रियजनों को, उनके प्रियजनों को और पता नहीं कितने लोगों को हमेशा के लिए सुला देंगे। हम खुद को भी सुला देंगे। तो मैं आप लोगों से हाथ जोड़कर ये निवेदन करता हूँ कि आप लोग नियम का पालन करें, घर में रहें, सुरक्षित रहें, और सिर्फ दिखाने के लिए और कानून से बचने के लिए नहीं, वो अपने आप को और अपने अपनों को कोरोना जैसी महामारी से बचाने के लिए। आप लोग सब घर में रहें, सुरक्षित रहें।